How to lose weight fast without exercise. Sticking to a conventional diet and exercise plan can be difficult. However, there are several proven tips that can help you eat fewer calories with ease. These are effective ways to reduce your weight, as well as to prevent weight gain in the future. Here are 11 ways to lose weight without exercise. 1. Chew thoroughly and slow down. Eating your food slowly can help you feel more full with fewer calories. It is an easy way to lose weight and prevent weight gain. Chewing your food thoroughly makes you eat more slowly, which is associated with decreased food intake, increased fullness and smaller portion sizes. How quickly you finish your meals may also affect your weight. 2. Use smaller plates for unhealthy foods. The typical food plate is larger today than it was a few decades ago. This trend could contribute to weight gain, since using a smaller plate may help you eat less by making portions look larger. Smaller plates can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Therefore, it's smart to consume unhealthy foods from smaller plates, causing you to eat less. 3. Eat plenty of protein. Adding protein to your diet has been linked to weight loss, even without exercise or conscious calorie restriction. 4. Store unhealthy foods out of sight. If you keep unhealthy foods on your counter, you are more likely to have an unplanned snack. This is linked to increased weight and obesity. It's better to keep healthy foods like fruits and vegetables in plain sight. 5. Eat fiber-rich foods. Eating fiber-rich foods may increase satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. Studies also indicate that one type of fiber, viscous fiber, is particularly helpful for weight loss. It increases fullness and reduces food intake. Viscous fiber is particularly helpful in reducing appetite and food intake. This fiber forms gel that slows down digestion. 6. Drink water regularly. Drinking water can help you eat less and lose weight, especially if you drink it before a meal. One study in adults found that drinking half a liter of water about 30 minutes before meals reduced hunger and lessened calorie intake. Trusted source. Participants who drank water before a meal lost 44% more weight over a 12-week period compared to those who did not. 7. Serve yourself smaller portions. Larger portion sizes have been linked to obesity and may encourage both children and adults to eat more food. 8. Eat without electronic distractions. People who eat while they're watching TV or playing computer games may lose track of how much they have eaten. This, in turn, can cause overeating. One review of 24 studies found that people who were distracted at a meal ate about 10% more in that sitting. People who eat while distracted are more likely to overeat. Paying attention to your meals may help you eat less and lose weight. 9. Sleep well and avoid stress. When it comes to health, people often neglect sleep and stress. Both, in fact, have powerful effects on your appetite and weight. A lack of sleep may disrupt the appetite-regulating hormones leptin and ghrelin. Another hormone, cortisol, becomes elevated when you're stressed. Poor sleep and excess stress may imbalance several important appetite-regulating hormones, causing you to eat more. 10. Eliminate sugary drinks. Added sugar may very well be the single worst ingredient in the diet today. Sugary beverages like soda have been associated with an increased risk of many diseases. Enter your text here. One unusual strategy is to use red plates to help you eat less. Research indicates that this technique at least seems to work with unhealthy snack foods. One study reported that volunteers ate fewer pretzels from red plates than from white or blue plates. If you want to know more about the diet, I have left a link for you below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment.
Follow my channel for more informative videos.